Hi, I'm Danny Smith with Semper Home Inspections, and I wanted to share a home maintenance tip with you. In the fall, we have all these leaves that fall off the trees, and we got to get them picked up. These are coming off the trees, going into my pool. Then I've got to clean the pool out. But anyway, most people have these leaf blowers, and they don't realize that they can actually blow leaves, obviously. And mine came with these two attachments, and once I read the owner's manual, I found out it was for sucking leaves up, chopping them up, and putting them in the bag. And so it takes up a lot less space. So I'm going to show you how to set this up. I've got a little pile of leaves here for a demonstration. So my blower, this cover just basically unscrews and folds down. And it came with this big tube. Stick that on there, twist it in place. Now it's going to suck out of there, suck the leaves up, and blow them into this bag. Just pull this on here, like so. And I put an extra bungee cord on here to make sure it doesn't come off. And I'll show you how this works. Put this over your shoulder to help hold the weight of the leaves. There you have it. The leaves have been chopped up real finely, compacted in this bag, and they take up a lot less space in your trash bags, and you use less trash bags. So that's our Semper Home Inspections Homeowners Maintenance Tip of the week. Thanks. Have a great day.